vigorous winds for eastern New South Wales. It's Force 13, Australia, Oceania, Channel 4, Monday the 2nd of December. A series of cold fronts will sweep across the southeast Australia during the next day or so, generating gusty westerly winds through most of New South Wales. Accompanied by squally showers in some areas. On the screen is the warning area for damaging winds for the Hunter, Illawarra, Northern Tablelands, Mid-North Coast, Central Southern Tablelands forecast districts. Damaging wind gusts in excess of 90 kilometres an hour possible for parts of the Southern Tablelands, the Central Tablelands, the Hunter, Northern Tablelands, Mid-North Coast and the Illawarra district today. However, this afternoon will be the period of most concern with the strongest gusts likely to be in the vicinity of showers. Conditions are expected to gradually ease at night, although some areas in the south may remain quite windy into Tuesday. Locations which may be affected at this point in time now: Bower, Armidale, Tenterfield, Katoomba and Goulburn, and Fire Services New South Wales are very concerned with the intensity of the winds and how they will impact on the various fires. Gale warning in place for the Hunter, Illawarra, Eden Coast. Strong wind warning, Sydney close waters, Macquarie, Sydney and Bateman's Coast. A fire weather warning in place for the far north coast and the greater Hunter, New England fire areas. Very windy, generally dry conditions will result in elevated fire dangers across parts of New South Wales today. Gale warning, Central Gippsland, East Gippsland Coast. Strong wind warning again, the Port Phillip Bay, the Western Port, Gippsland Lakes, West and Central Coast. And here we go again. Bureau in Tasmania has issued a further severe weather warning for damaging winds for the islands, the Western Upper Derwent Valley, Southeast, Northeast, Central Plateau, parts of the East Coast, Northwest Coast, the Central North and Midlands forecast districts. Damaging westerly winds during Tuesday afternoon. A cold front west to southwesterly airstream will flow across Tasmania during Tuesday with the strongest winds expected during the afternoon. Damaging westerly winds averaging 50 to 60 kilometres an hour with peak gusts of around 90 to 100 kilometres an hour possible for midnight Tuesday across the southern, western, central Tasmania as well as parts of the east. Winds are expected to ease by early Tuesday evening, and locations which may be affected: Stratton, New Norfolk, Bothwell, Hobart, Cheeverston, I think I've got that one right, and Dover. Gale warnings in place down there in Tasmania, Bass Strait, Franklin Sound, east of the Flinders Island, the lower east coast. Strong wind warning for the Frederick Henry, Norfolk, Storm Bays, the Channel, Central Plateau Lakes, far northwest, Central North Coast, the upper east, southeast, southwest, and including Central West Coast. Bureau of Meteorology here in Queensland has a fire weather warning in place, and it remains in place for the Capricornia, Central Highland, Coalfields, Darling Downs, Granite Belt, the Wide Bay, Burnett, and including the southeast coast forecast districts. On the screen is a look at the latest storm probabilities from 1300 hours through to the same period tomorrow. Force 13's main channel is continuing to provide the latest information on the typhoon, which possibly overnight or tomorrow morning, Tuesday, will impact the Philippines.
You can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.com with the latest. You can also find our YouTube page. You're probably there already, but if not, subscribe if you haven't so far. You can also find our Facebook page, Force 13 all in text, and it's at Force 13 on Twitter if you'd like to get in touch with us on there. You can also help the project become even better by enjoying the benefits of patronage. You can find out more information about how to become a patron and what those benefits are at patreon.com/Force13. You can also add Force 13 on Skype and Fool 13 at extension 9094 on Discord for tropical weather chat.